Sketch simple shapes for the overall figure, and then if you are drawing digitally, create a new layer for a detailed sketch over the first one. Soon as you're happy with the sketch for this level, just create another layer for your line art, another for flat colors, and that's it. The alien aspect can be something simple here, like changing Yugi's skin tone to something abnormal, and that's it. At number 4 is another of the earliest MCs I saw in my childhood, Mushra from Shinzo. So full disclosure, I have not rewatched Shinzo in several years, but the impact the story and Mushra left on me remains. The transformations, the guts, the banter. My favorite thing about Mushra is him being a troublemaker with a soft heart. He is capable of showing compassion even when the planet has gone to crap.